Hello and assalamu alaikum. I really welcome to all of you on my channel. Well, I am come back again with the another topic. So our today topic is that how to use copy command in AutoCAD. So let's take a start. Copy command has also two ways to use this command. First one is, as you can see at the left side of your screen, here is a copy command icon which you have to press on it for the activation, and then come back to your worksheet for the selection of your object that you want to move like this, and then press the enter button for the selection. Now you just click the left button of your mouse for the moving of your object. As you can see, your object is moving from one place to another place, or you can also copy this object or any other object that you want to copy it from one place to another place. And you can also notice one another thing, that is the copy command is still activated. If you want to skip from this command, so you just press the enter button for the skipping from this command like this. And then the second one way is to write the command short form of your copy command like this. You just press the CP and then press the enter button. As you can see, the copy command is activated, and then you just again select the object that you want to copy and then press the enter button. And as you can see, I just click on the mouse button. Now you can see your object is start copy like this, and you can also copy your object in thousands of times, that how many times that you want like this. And then again press the enter button from the skip from this command. And thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like this video and keep supporting me.